for my next tip of the day, I'm going to show you how to get a nail out. It's very simple for a lot of people, but sometimes they're just a little bit stubborn, and if you don't know, it's all about leverage, so stay tuned. So what you do when you've got a nail that you can't get out easily, so this is just a nail I've put in there, but you try and get it out with a normal claw hammer. It doesn't come out very easily, and all you need is some extra leverage. So all you need is another bit of wood, as long as it's not, you can do it if it's high, just have to put it at an angle, but all you need is to add that there, and then you can rest the hammer on that, like so, and then there it's just some extra leverage, and it comes out as easy as that. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.